How to install your Pope auto wind hose reel to a masonry wall. Tools required: masking tape, graphite pencil, spirit level, electric drill, 10mm masonry drill bit, mallet or hammer, 10mm socket and ratchet, or Phillips head screwdriver. Select a suitable position to mount your auto wind hose reel. The reel should be mounted at approximately waist height and close enough to a tap so the inlet tap to reel hose will not strain when the reel rotates 180 degrees. Take the cardboard template provided on the auto wind box and position on the wall where you would like to mount the bracket. Ensure the holes will avoid the grout lines. Use your spirit level to ensure the template is straight. Then mark the holes with a pencil or marker. Next, drill 4 holes with a 10mm masonry drill bit at the marked locations. Ensure the holes are clear from any debris, dust, before inserting the wall plugs into the holes. Push the wall plugs into the wall until they are flush with the surface of the wall. A mallet or hammer may be helpful to push the plugs firmly into the holes. Align the bracket so the holes match up with the wall plugs. Then, insert all 4 screws into the holes before tightening them all. Mount the hose reel by inserting the mounting post into the mounting bracket. You can insert a padlock into the hole on the mounting post if you wish to secure your auto wind hose reel. Padlock is not included. Connect the hand spray to the outlet hose. Screw universal tap adapter to your tap. Connect the inlet tap to reel hose to the tap, then turn on the tap. Now you are ready to use your auto wind hose reel.